The marketing world is currently obsessed with making us believe that every minor inconvenience can be solved with a push of a button. We see these flashy clips of grime vanishing like it was never there. It makes you skeptical. It makes you cautious. That is the exact mindset I had when I first held the Wowee Cleaner. It defies that initial expectation of cheap disposable junk. The unit has a sleek profile and a lightweight feel that actually suggests some thoughtful engineering. It sits in your hand with a balanced weight. It does not rattle or creak. You are not greeted by a manual the size of a phone book. You just plug it in, and it starts humming with a focused energy. The sound is a pleasant surprise. It is a soft, melodic purr rather than the aggressive roar of a lawnmower. This matters when you are trying to keep the peace at home while getting things done. I started with the basics on my kitchen counters. These were standard daily messes. The device sprays with a consistent, even pattern. With a single wipe, the grime just lifted away. I did not have to put my entire body weight into it. My wrists were not screaming at me. In those moments, the height felt entirely justified. I started to believe this might be the one. Then I moved to the real battlefield. I tried it on thick, sticky buildup and spills that had dried into a hard shell. This is where the reality check happened. It was a mixed bag. Sometimes it sliced through the mess with ease. Other times, it felt like it was barely scratching the surface. It would give up halfway through a tough job. This inconsistency is the reason the internet is so divided on this thing. You see glowing testimonials from people who swear it revolutionized their routine. Then, you see the scathing posts from users who think they bought an overpriced toy. Both sides have a point, because it depends entirely on what you expect it to do. It is not a heavy-duty powerhouse. It is not going to replace a professional steam cleaner for deep restoration work. However, it is an incredible tool for those fast touch-ups. It is the gadget you grabbed for the accidental coffee spill or the crumbs from a quick lunch. It makes those small chores feel less like a burden. The build quality is solid enough to handle that daily wear and tear. The materials feel premium to the touch. The buttons are snappy and responsive. You do not worry about it falling apart after a month of use. Cleaning the device itself is a breeze. There are only a few components to rinse. It does not turn into a second job just to keep the tool functional. This simplicity is its greatest strength. When you look at the price tag, you have to weigh that convenience against your specific needs. It is not cheap. It is not a total steal. But if you value your time and your joints, the value proposition starts to make sense. It is a legitimate tool that performs well within its limits. It is a helpful assistant rather than a flawless savior. You just have to know when to put it away and pull out the heavy artillery. It is a solid, middle-of-the-road performer that delivers on its core promise without quite reaching the heights of its own marketing. It is a reliable choice for the average home. Just keep your expectations grounded.